guys, so before I officially start this video, I want to clarify that I'm not bragging or anything. It's just that I thought I could make my first unboxing video, and so let's start. So my early Christmas present is an Apple Watch. So I was about to open it, and then I thought, let's make a first unboxing video. So let's just pull the plastic up, and there it is. So it's made in California, and there he is. There is my Apple Watch. So now as soon as this video ends, I'm going to analyze how to use this thing, but hey, it's actually an Apple Watch. This is my early Christmas present. So once again, I'm not bragging. I'm just making my first unboxing video on YouTube. So see you all later.